In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Squarespace to access and utilize its analytics feature, focusing particularly on search keywords. This is incredibly useful, whether you're running a small business, a personal blog, or any type of online presence through Squarespace. Understanding the analytics of your site, and especially your search keywords, can provide you with vital insights into how visitors are interacting with your site, what content they are searching for, and how you can tailor your offering for more engagement and visibility. To get started, the first step is to log into your Squarespace account. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. This can be a bit overwhelming with all of the different options, especially if you're new to Squarespace. But don't worry, I will guide you through it. Next, we want to head over to the Analytics section of your Squarespace interface. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you will see several menu options. Find and click on Analytics. The Analytics section is really the powerhouse of your site data. The key part about using Squarespace's analytics is making sense of these numbers and trends to make informed decisions about your online strategies. Now let's focus on accessing the Search Keywords feature. Under the Analytics tab, you will see various options like traffic, sales, and acquisition, just to name a few. Navigate through these options until you find the Search Keywords section. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Search keywords give you a window into the search terms people are using to discover your site or specific pages on your site. Once you click Search Keywords, the next instruction is quite simple. You will see a prompt to connect your account. Go ahead and click this option. Connecting your account allows Squarespace to gather data on the search terms related to your site, providing detailed insights. This might take a minute if you're doing it for the first time, as it syncs your data. But be patient, it's worth the wait. And just like that, you are set up. You've successfully navigated to the Analytics section and connected the Search Keywords feature. From here, you can begin analyzing which keywords are performing well and which might need improvement. Remember, this is not just about setting and forgetting. To truly make the most out of this feature, regularly check this data as it can guide your content strategy and marketing efforts. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to optimize your Squarespace site for better performance and visibility. Be sure to keep exploring the other features Squarespace offers within its analytics suite to bolster your site's effectiveness. Stay curious and keep experimenting for the best results.